Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 17th, 2025, and we're taking a look at AUDUSD. We'll be analyzing recent news and events affecting this pair, and then diving into a detailed technical analysis of the charts. The goal is to identify key price levels, potential trading opportunities, and discuss both bullish and bearish scenarios. First, let's take a look at some of the recent news headlines. Australian dollar to US dollar has been relatively stable, trading around 0.6533 recently, up slightly by 0.19% amid ceasefire talks between Iran and Israel easing market jitters. The RBA is considering publishing unattributed votes to enhance policy transparency with a decision expected next month, which may be an upward pressure. Keep an eye on upcoming U.S. retail sales data, the Fed's interest rate decision, and the Australian jobs report, all of which are expected to induce volatility. According to recent analysis, a potential Trump presidency could trigger a global trade war and influence the AUD. The pair also shows some correlation with gold prices due to Australia's reliance on commodity exports. Let's switch over to the one-day chart now to see how these factors are reflected in the price action. Looking at the long-term trend, we can see considerable volatility and sideways movement overall. Pay attention to key levels, such as the recent yearly high around 0.6552 and potential support around 0.6432. The price has been coiling within a narrow range after reaching that high, suggesting a potential breakout or breakdown is imminent. Now let's narrow our focus to the recent price action on the 1-hour chart. Here, we can see some indecision in the last few trading sessions. The pair is struggling to break decisively above 0.6550, suggesting that level is acting as a strong resistance. There could be further support near 0.6500. Zooming into the 15-minute chart, we can observe very short-term fluctuations. We can see some potential support around 0.6490 with a strong resistance at 0.6530. With these in mind, a break above 0.6552 could signal a bullish continuation towards 0.6600 short-term, while a fall below 0.6432 could see a retest of 0.6400. Keep an eye on the RBA's upcoming transparency decision in July. This could significantly impact the AUD's valuation and, consequently, AUDUSD. Also, the market's reaction to U.S. retail sales data and the Fed's forward guidance will be crucial in determining short to medium-term trends. In summary, watch for the following key levels: resistance at 0.6552 and 0.6600. Support at 0.6432 and potentially 0.6400. A move above 0.6552 would indicate a greater than 50% chance of hitting 0.6600, while falling below 0.6432 would make retesting 0.6400 about 60% likely. These scenarios are reinforced if the RBA maintains a hawkish stance or if the U.S. economic data disappoints. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next analysis.